962 North Carolina, 8255 feet, waiting. Nine six two North Carolina, waving a hand from 8255 feet. Oh, roger that. Yeah, I can't hear the 111 guy at all over here right now.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get a hold of my Mermaid. You know, that Mermaid, she's hard to catch.
Oh, man, I'm sorry to hear that. I didn't know you guys were hearing the 111 guy. Yeah, well, you can still have a Merry Christmas, though, 111 guy or not. So Merry Christmas to you and your family, my friend, over there in Tennessee, I believe you said, from 8255 Phoenix. Oh, roger that. Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. Well, 73 to you, my friend, from 8255 Phoenix. And I hope those people over in the western side of North Carolina get that hurricane relief money. I hope Washington gets something done to make sure that that goes through. 73 to you from 8255 Phoenix. Oh, yeah.
Oh, negative. I used to be in the upper desert. I guess it would be the lower desert.
Well, I just heard music over here, no 111 guy.
I lived up in Alaska for a while, and you know, it does get cold in the wintertime. All right, man, we're going to get out of here and get back to our painting job. 26,